Welcome, everyone. So today, forget about blasting off into outer space. We're going on an incredible journey to a world that's just as mysterious and, well, a whole lot closer to home. We're heading underground to explore a secret living network that is just buzzing with magic. All right, let's dig in.
So you've probably seen them, right? In a forest, maybe even popping up in your own backyard. But that mushroom you see? Turns out that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real story, the real magic, is happening right under our feet, completely out of sight.
Okay, so to kick off our adventure, we really need to understand what it is we're looking at when we see a mushroom.
I want you to think of a mushroom, kind of like an apple on an apple tree. See, the apple is the fruit, and its whole job is to spread seeds. Well, the mushroom is the fruit of the fungus, and it's designed to spread these tiny things called spores. But if the mushroom is the fruit, where's the rest of it? Where's the tree?
Well, that brings us to the real star of the show, mycelium. This is the main body of the fungus, and it's doing all the heavy lifting, living secretly in the soil or inside decaying logs.
All right, now for the really cool part. Let's imagine we can shrink ourselves down and actually travel into the soil to see what this incredible network looks like.
You know, it all begins with just one single super thin thread. It's called a hypha. Picture a single strand from a spider's web. That's basically a hypha. And its job is to explore the soil, looking for food.
And here is where it gets absolutely incredible. These tiny individual threads start to weave together, and they create something enormous and complex. We're talking about a massive, interconnected web that can stretch for miles.
This network just spreads and spreads all through the soil, connecting pretty much everything it touches. And you know what? Scientists have a really cool name for it.
They call it the WoodWideWeb. How cool is that? Just like our internet connects all our computers, this mycelium network connects the roots of different plants, sometimes over huge distances.
So, just how big can this network really get? Okay, you might want to sit down for this. The largest known living thing on our entire planet is a single mycelium network in Oregon. It is larger than 1,600 football fields. Seriously, just let that sink in for a minute.
So, what is the point of this massive WoodWideWeb? Well, think of it like a bustling marketplace, all about teamwork and trading. Let's take a look at how this incredible exchange actually works.
You know, most plants, we're talking over 90% of them, team up with fungi. This friendship has a fancy name, it's called mycorrhizae. But really, all it means is that the plant and the fungus are helping each other survive. They're best buds.
And this slide right here perfectly shows you the power of that partnership. A plant with a fungal friend is just stronger, it's healthier, it's more resilient. And that's because the mycelium network acts like a giant extension of its own root system.
So, the whole thing boils down to this amazing trait. The plant, right? It's fantastic at using sunlight to make sugar, food. But it's not so great at finding nutrients deep in the soil. The mycelium, on the other hand, is an absolute master at finding those nutrients, but it can't make its own food. So what do? They trade. Together, they have the perfect team.
But this network does so much more than just feed plants. It has some truly amazing superpowers that help out the entire ecosystem.
Mycelium is basically a superhero for the soil. I mean, it cleans, it communicates, it protects, and it recycles. It's keeping the whole environment healthy.
So first up, without mycelium, forests would just be completely buried under piles of dead branches and leaves. It's the engine of decomposition, breaking all that stuff down and giving life right back to the soil.
And get this, some types of mycelium can actually digest and neutralize toxic chemicals. It's a natural cleanup crew, literally healing the soil from the damage that we've caused. How amazing is that?
Think about this. It's like a forest-wide alarm system. When one tree is getting attacked by bugs, it can send a chemical warning signal through the mycelium network telling all its neighbors to get ready for the incoming threat. They can actually talk to each other.
Wow, what an incredible journey we've been on, right? Exploring this hidden world that's right under our feet. So after all that, what are the key things to remember from our underground adventure?
Okay, here are the 5 big ideas to take away. The mushroom is just the fruit. Mycelium is the real fungus, creating that giant WoodWideWeb. It makes friends with plants to trade goodies. It recycles, it cleans, and it lets plants talk. And maybe most important of all, if you ever see those white, fuzzy threads in your garden soil, don't worry, you should celebrate. It just means you have living, magical, healthy soil. So the next time you're walking through a forest or a park, just take a second to remember that vast, intelligent network that's alive and communicating right below your feet. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other incredible mysteries are we walking on top of every single day? Thanks so much for joining us on this amazing journey.